Number 1. Janessa finds out that her friend Jane stole her favorite pen from her locker. What might Janessa do to show that she is forgiving? A. How could you do that? B. I want to be able to trust you. Can you promise me you'll never steal from me again? C. That was a mean thing to do. Or D. I don't want to be your friend anymore. Number 2. Rachel says to her friend, even though I want to play my game, it's your turn to choose. Which one do you want to play? What might Rachel do next to show that she's fair? A. Suggest they play her friend's game. B. Beg to play her own game. C. Find someone else to play with. Or D. Complain about playing her friend's game. Number 3. Noah says, I want to play that game. If you don't want to play with me, I won't be your friend, and you can't play with anyone else. What might Noah do next to show that he's bossy? A. Apologize and play alone. B. Make his friend play the game. C. Ask some other kids if they want to play. Or D. Ask a teacher for help. Number 4. Kurt told his teacher, can I help pass out the papers? Also, would you like me to take the books back to the library? What might Kurt do next to show that he's helpful? A. Go to lunch. B. Offer to clean the desk. C. Begin his classwork. Or D. Talk to his friends. Number 5. Tina doesn't want to share her markers for the art project, even though everyone else has shared theirs with her. What might this selfish character say to the people at her row? A. Do you want to borrow a marker? B. How long will this project take? C. What is your favorite color? Or D. The markers are mine, not yours. Number 6. Melissa loved being around her baby cousin. She always made sure that he had all of the toys and snacks that he needed. She played with him and made sure that he was happy. As soon as her cousin started to cry, she would hop up and get whatever he needed. She always wanted him to be happy. Melissa is a very blank cousin. A. Caring. B. Annoying. C. Lazy. Or D. Bossy. Number 7. Hudson does not want anyone to help him with his chores. Even though there are a lot of clothes to put away, he wants to do it all by himself. He wants everyone to stay out of his room when he is cleaning so he can get it all done. Hudson is very blank when he does all his chores. A. Independent. B. Bossy. C. Confused. Or D. Friendly. Number 8. Whenever anyone needs something done, they can always call on Kelly. She can follow directions very well and always does exactly what she is asked to do. Her parents, teachers, and friends know that if they ask her to do something, they can depend on her. Kelly is a blank girl. Lazy. B. Noisy. C. Dependable. Or D. Unorganized. Number 9. Andrew was worried about his first day of baseball practice. He wondered if he would be any good or if the other players would make fun of him for making a mistake. When the coach called the players on the field, Andrew did not want to go. He could barely move and he started to get shaky. Andrew was blank about playing baseball. A. Happy. B. Nervous. C. Excited. Or D. Mad. And number 10. Jose was jumping up and down and watching out the window. He could not wait for his mother to get home. She was bringing his new baby sister home for the first time. He wanted to see her and play with her for the first time. He checked the clock and counted down the minutes until it was finally 4 p.m. Jose was blank to see his new baby sister. A. Upset. B. Amused. C. Disappointed. Or D. Excited.